Topic number 1, General Science, Standard 6. The spheres on the Earth. There are three main spheres on Earth. First is atmosphere, second is hydrosphere, third is lithosphere. Including all three, they are known as biosphere. Atmosphere means air, hydrosphere means water, and lithosphere means land. Water occupies 71% of total volume of Earth's surface and land occupies 29%. Air. The Earth is surrounded by atmosphere, which is made up of air. Air is a mixture of various gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, inert gases, dust particles, and water vapor, etc. In the following diagram, you can see the nitrogen occupies 78%, oxygen occupies 21%, and in 1% there is another gases. There are some uses of gases. The first gas is nitrogen, which is useful in airtight packaging of foodstuff, as well as nitrogen produces nitrate, which is useful in plants' growth. Oxygen. Oxygen is very important for respiration and combustion. Carbon dioxide, photosynthesis in plant and in fire extinguisher. Argon is useful in electric bulb. Helium is used in generating lift in airship. Neon is useful in decorative lights and street lighting. Krypton is useful in fluorescent tubes. And last one is xenon, which is useful in flash photography. These are the some uses of gases. The next is air pollution. When harmful substances produced through the combustion are released into the air, it causes air pollution. Air pollution is caused by vehicles, industries, and other sources where there is incomplete combustion of fuels. In that picture, you can see the air pollution. The ozone layer. Ozone layer is very important for all living creatures. In the lower part of the stratosphere, there is a layer of ozone gas. The ultraviolet rays coming from the sun, which is very harmful for all living things, ozone layer absorbs that ultraviolet rays. That is why ozone gas is known as the Earth's protective shell. And 16th September in every year we celebrate Ozone Protection Day. The second part of our topic is hydrosphere, means water. No one can survive without water and oxygen. Water is needed for survival of every living organism. Water is available in three different states in nature. For example, the solid state means ice, liquid state means water, and in vaporization. It is said that water is life because no living organism can survive without water. Water is colorless, tasteless, and many substances can dissolve in it. That is why it is known as a universal solvent. The next part is water cycle. Look at the picture. Sun's heat evaporates water from the ocean. These water vapors condense after reaching the sky and fall back on the earth in the form of rains. The natural sources of water like streams, rivers, springs and lakes, and man-made source of water is wells, bore wells and dams. The third part of our topic is lithosphere, means land. Land is made up of soil, stones and big rocks. Man use land for farming and constructing shelter and roads. The layer of soil. In the diagram you can see the fourth layer of soil. The topmost layer means humus. The topmost layer of soil is formed by decomposition of remains of plants and animals or animal dungs. And immature soil, the layer of land which is full of sand, soil, small stones, worms and insects. The soil formation. Look at the picture. This is slow, continuous and natural process. 2.5 centimeter thick layer of mature soil takes thousands of years to form. Thank you. Visit again.